there, my name is Celeste Mendez. Clearly, I don't like to show my face, so here's an Enderman face that I objectively provided for you. And more. I'll be singing for my video. My video is going to be cooler than anyone's. So, I'm going to get on with singing. Alright. I don't really sing in public, but here we go. No, you can't take it from me, 'cause I love it here. My family is the best, and I really love it here. You can't take me from my family, 'cause I'm never, ever, ever going to leave. You can't take me from here. This is my home, it's my home. I've been dreaming to live here for a very, very, very long time. This home is the best. I can't dream of a better place. I got a big TV. I got a, dirty table. And well, there's nothing that can change it here. Got my brothers. 1, 2, 3. Got my brothers with me, and I really love them both. I got my little A and my big X, my little A and my big X, which is X stands for Zai, A stands for Acai. Their names are Asian and I love them both. I love them both.